What's up, guys? So today I'm going to finally get around to installing my Joe Toth front lip on my Porsche Cayman. I pre-ordered it when he was first making the lips. Finally getting around to installing it. Here it is. It is a 3-piece lip, not too shabby. Got the car up on my makeshift ramps just to give me a little extra clearance. Install should be pretty straightforward. Underneath the car there are a few pop rivets. Should be like one about here, one in the center, one on the side. There's 3 rivets for each piece. So I'm gonna take those off and then put the new lip on. So here's a shot of the pop rivets. So basically there's a pin. You push it into the hole of the plastic rivet. You push it through and then it expands. I used a T10 Torx driver, and it fits perfectly in the hole to push the pins out. I would suggest buying some new ones because they're going to get pretty torn up. Not sure if you can really see it. And chances are your plastic bits are going to be pretty fucked up anyways, if your car has any sort of mileage on it. I bought some new ones from 5150 Motorsport for like $3 plus like $3 for shipping, so it's pretty cheap to replace. So I'm going to be using a Tack Puller to pull the rivets. There's one here, one here, and one back here. This rivet's actually missing though. There's the other rivet. So there we have the stock trim piece. Yeah, that's fucking light. So it's held on by those 3 rivets. There's tabs here. One, two, three, four, five tabs. That's the stock, the bumper for you. I'm missing that center rivet on that one as well. Went ahead and bought all the rivets. Probably could use some replacing. So behind the lips it's a little filthy. Just give it a little cleaning before I put the new lip on. Gonna have to drill 3 holes in the center for the center piece. There's holes right here. So on the Joe Toth lip there are some tabs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. just like the stock ones. And then we have the mounting points where the plastic pop rivets will go. Same on both sides. Centerpiece has 3 holes on the top that I will have to drill, and then it's got holes on the sides as well to secure it to the other sides of the lip. There's the instructions that the lip comes with, as well as the hardware, some nuts, washers, some rubber well nuts, and then I bought some brand new rivets since I was already missing a couple, and they're cheap, so might as well. Alright guys, so this is the center piece. As you can see, there's 3 holes on the top. I have to drill into the bumper. According to the directions, it says to drill 3/16 holes, pilot holes, and then make sure that everything fits, and then drill out the holes to 3/8 of an inch. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is screw the holes in on the sides, or screw the bolts in on the sides. Supplied hardware comes with an 11/32 nut and Phillips head screws. So now I'm going to mark my holes before I drill into the bumper. Didn't have enough space, so I had to drill, raise the car up a little bit. There we go. Now we just drilled the holes to 3/8. These rubber grommets. Okay, so I got the 3 holes drilled, and I will be inserting these rubber grommets. So we got these rubber grommets right here. That's 1. 2, 3. So then from there, we just attach the lip with some nuts and washers. Alright, before I pull the double-sided tape on the centerpiece, I'm just going to clean the bumper off a little bit, make sure there's no residue. Alright, here it is, guys. Lip has been installed. Probably going to paint it matte black. Looks a little funny, I think. Being shiny. Hey guys, so it's actually been a couple of years, I think, since I filmed this video and since I installed the Joe Toth lip. So I made another clip showing the lip after I had plastic dipped it matte black. So far, since the time that I've had it, it's held up great. I mean, I think I've scraped it once on just a shitty parking lot. The ground was a little uneven, and I on the incline when I was pulling out, I think I ended up scraping somehow, but there's a little nick in one of the pieces, but like I said, nothing ripped out or anything, nothing truly cracked, it just scraped it. So yeah, like I said, so far it's held up pretty well. I never mentioned it in my previous footage, but the lip fit more or less perfectly. There was a little bit of trimming that I had to do to some of the tabs. I mean, every bumper is going to be slightly different, but for me, in my case, yeah, I had to just trim some of the mounting tabs in order to get the side pieces to pop in properly and stay in. But yeah, other than a little bit of trimming here and there, it fit great, or it does fit perfectly fine. So yeah, I would highly recommend it. It's a very reasonably priced lip too, and there's not very many options for 987.2 Caymans. So yeah, hopefully that helps give you guys a little depiction of what the lip looks like and the installation process. So hope that helps. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you guys later.